Alrighty, you all, so Visuals AF is here and we're going to be testing out my new wireless go-to Rode microphone. I've been wanting to try it for a while because after, my last video, I saw what the word is, and it's in the first one thing. Visuals AF is here, and today makes 7 years a photographer. I really appreciate you all for rocking with me. I really appreciate you all for, getting it out the mud with me from 2017 up until now. I was like, you know what, it's been 7 years of photographer, it's time to step that audio up. So I got it and I want to test it out. So I shoot on my GoPro from time to time, to kind of still give it that quality. But so for right now, what you all hear is that GoPro media mod. So that's what you're hearing for right now. But we're gonna go through, we're gonna do some comparisons, and I want to make sure that we can get some good crisp audio. So like I say, the media mod is on there right now without the the muffle on it. So I'm gonna put this on there to kind of see if it's gonna give some kind of difference and stuff like that. So let's see about it. All right, so I have it on there. Hopefully it's a difference. I don't know if it's a difference or not, but you all can be the judge of that. Let me know what you think. It's pretty much not going to be my setup for this GoPro mount. I plan to use my wireless go-to wireless mic. So let's switch over to that and make it happen. Alrighty, so hopefully you all can hear me. Everything's sounding good. Like I say, I have the wireless go-to Rode mic right here. But yeah, pretty much wanted to go ahead and upgrade to this equipment so that I can continue to give you that good quality, and the audio can match the visual. And no matter where I'm at, even if I'm right here, or I take a step back and I'm right here, you can see me. I can still be doing my thing and explaining how I'm doing it and things like that. Right now it's like light wind, so it's really not giving me like no pushback feedback. But I'm gonna also put this dead cat on there as well to kind of see if it's going to be a difference and things like that. It should be magnetic, so I'm gonna just put it on there and push it up on there. Cool. And there it is. Voila, magic. You feel me? But yeah, I don't think it's gonna make a difference because, like I say, it ain't a lot of wind going through. But you see the view and everything like that. But yeah, just wanted to go through and do it like that as well. I also have another setup that I want to do, and I'm gonna switch over to that right now. Alrighty, so this is my next setup. I went ahead and got the interview style microphone with it, and I feel like this is probably going to be one of the things that I use the most with it. Just want to get some good quality, make it happen and stuff like that. But also it looks good, it looks appeasing. You know what I'm saying? I like the way it looks. You feel me? But yeah, like I say, can be any and everywhere. It's still all the same thing. Like I say, still the same thing. Looks the exact same. It just without it. Put it back on there. Same old, you feel me? But yeah, I'll probably be using this a lot more than anything. But yeah, let me put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here as well to kind of still, enunciate my words and, project my voice and things like that. And just kind of, see how it sound and how I feel, get it like that, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna come over this way. And then, be explaining just like how I would, any other situation and stuff like that. Or I can be over this way and still, you'll still be able to get that audio, the good quality and things like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I can already tell this is going to be like my favorite go-to for everything to kind of, do it like that, especially like in like explaining things and stuff like that. Like if I'm, on a shoot, of course I'm gonna have it, on my shirt so I can be, so I can be with it hands free and stuff like that. Like I said, it's wireless. But I like it, and I feel like it's gonna be a dope addition to what I got going on. So what my next setup is actually gonna be my favorite setup. We're gonna put it on the iPhone. And I know that this is something that I use for most of my shoots as well, especially for like behind the scenes, without the audio. But with the audio, I can just be on the go and, make it happen like this. So let's switch to that. Alrighty, so with the last setup I have right here, as you all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and just sync this audio here to the GoPro. But just to kind of show you what the process with the behind the scenes look like and stuff like that. This is what I have. This is what we got going on, and I can just be able to be on the go and just take it with me wherever I want to go. You feel me? Um, but yeah, I can just have my content going, or like I say, have it on my shirt, things like that, and just be creating my content, going with it, going with by the flow, or just showing what I got going on and stuff like that. But yeah, more of a still like a more of a on the go. Even if my GoPro were to lose battery or something was to be like a mishap or whatever, I can just put it on my phone. As long as I have my cord, we can make it anything possible. You feel me? All right, so just a comparison from what it was to what it is now. Definitely going to be a part of my setup from now on, and definitely want to make sure I'm giving you all the good quality and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Just like I say, after watching my previous videos and the one I just did or whatever with the wind blowing and stuff like that, when you know better, you do better, and this is me doing better. So I just want to make sure that I'm giving you all that good quality content, audio and visual, especially if I'm gonna be talking or using audio and things like that. So yeah, just want to go through and make my own little video about my experience with this wireless go-to Rode microphone, and just get some good quality and also make some good content. You feel me? But like I say, visuals AF is here, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, especially leave them comments. I need all them comments. I'm gonna reply to you. But yeah, be more on the lookout for what I got coming up next, and thank you all for watching. T.
Visuals as